Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Robo Trex Ultimate Garage is probably one of the most exciting and feature-packed playsets for young car enthusiasts, offering a unique blend of robotic dinosaur action and a multi-level garage experience that promises hours of imaginative play and thrilling adventures for kids who love both dinosaurs and Hot Wheels cars. Number 5. Hot Wheels Criss-Cross Crash Track Set. Get ready for thrilling action with this Hot Wheels track set. It's designed for maximum fun and exciting crashes. Experience the power of the motorized booster that sends cars speeding through the track. Watch them race and collide. This set features 4 intersections, hairpin turns, and a massive crash zone. It's perfect for testing problem-solving skills. The car feeder ramp ensures continuous racing action and fuels imaginative storytelling. The fun never has to stop. When playtime is over, enjoy convenient storage with plenty of parking spaces. It's easy to pack up and store away. It comes with one Hot Wheels vehicle, so the racing adventures can begin right out of the box. Let the games begin. What we like. This track set features a motorized booster for continuous racing action. If you have a child who loves high-speed chases and dramatic crashes, this is the perfect choice. It offers exciting storytelling moments with its car feeder ramp and ample parking for easy storage. What people say. Easy to assemble, the Hot Wheels cars all work on the track, hours of fun. Lots of Hot Wheel cars works, unlike the ones with complete loops that only a few, lighter cars, will go through. Great quality regular Hot Wheel cars do work for it. Track is very stable and easy to connect. Number 4. Hot Wheels Color Shifters Sharkport Showdown Track Set. Get ready for an exciting race down the tower. But watch out, a hungry shark is lurking. Use the release lever to save any cars that get caught. You can launch them to safety. This set features 2 amazing color change zones. Dunk it in the tank or splash it in the pool to see the magic happen. It comes with one of our special color shifters cars, ready for action right out of the box. Connect it to your other Hot Wheels tracks to build an even bigger racing world. The possibilities are endless. What we like. Experience thrilling encounters with a chomping shark and a unique color change feature. If you're looking for a track that adds an element of surprise and adventure, this is it. The 2 color change zones and the ability to connect to existing tracks offer endless replayability. What people say. The theatrics of the shark is fun too. The color-changing car that came with it is so fun. The playset seems to be of good quality. No easily detachable or dangerous parts were noticed, which is reassuring. The assembly was quite simple and the instructions were clear. The color-changing car with temperature was a very welcome surprise and added an extra layer of excitement to the game. Number 3. Hot Wheels Motorized Track Set. Get ready for the ultimate Hot Wheels adventure. This enormous track set is packed with thrilling features for endless excitement. Experience the thrill of 3 massive corkscrew loops and 3 exciting crash zones. Can you navigate them all without a mishap? Powerful high-speed boosters propel your cars through the loops at incredible speeds. Feel the rush as they race to the finish. This isn't just about speed, it's about skill. Test your problem-solving abilities as you aim to launch cars perfectly, avoiding spectacular crashes. Connect it with your other Hot Wheels sets to build an even bigger, more epic world of racing fun. The possibilities are limitless. Don't miss out on this exclusive Hot Wheels track set, available only on Amazon. It's the perfect addition to any collection. What we like. Get ready for an enormous track with multiple loops and crash zones powered by high-speed boosters. If your child enjoys challenging, skill-based play and mastering difficult maneuvers, this set is ideal. It encourages problem-solving as kids try to launch cars without crashing out. What people say. The track comes with 1 car and needs batteries. When it's on, it's loud. The velocity by which this shoots the cars through the powered wheels is fierce and a little scary. A car can only make it through 3 to 4 times before it pops off the track because it's so fast. With 3 crash zones and a motorized booster, it's basically a roller coaster for your toy cars, minus the safety regulations. Prepare for non-stop action, epic crashes, and maybe a few cars that never make it out of the loop. My 3-year-old loves this track. Sometimes he can get the cars going for 10 or 15 rounds before they crash or fly off. Admittedly, he loves when the cars fly off of it though. Be warned though, his/her enjoyment comes at the cost of not being able to hear anything else in the room. The motors are very loud, about the decibels of a loud vacuum or carpet cleaning machine, and the cars flying through only make it louder. Very cool toy though. Number 2. LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron 42083 Race Car Building Kit. Get ready to build and experience a quintessential collectible sports car. Developed in partnership with Bugatti, this is a faithful recreation of the real car. This advanced model car build is created with 3,599 pieces and features a classic duotone blue color scheme. It's the perfect addition to any car collection. This 1:8 scale race car model features an active rear wing, an 8-speed gearbox, and a W16 engine. You'll also find a steering wheel, suspension, and spoked rims. It comes in luxurious box packaging, complete with a collector's booklet. This makes it an ideal gift for car lovers and future engineers. This building kit can be built together with all LEGO Technic sets and LEGO bricks for creative construction and extended play. The finished model measures over 5 inches high, 22 inches long, and 9 inches wide. It's a stunning display piece. What we like. This is a highly detailed, large-scale replica of the Bugatti Chiron, perfect for adult collectors and aspiring engineers. If you appreciate intricate building and a stunning display piece, this is the ultimate set. It features an 8-speed gearbox, W16 engine, and comes in luxurious packaging. What people say. The packaging itself is pristine and professional, everything is arranged and categorized beautifully to where you can plan it out. The manuals themselves are full of photos and art and footnotes from the designers. The speed key, the 8-speed sequential transmission, the 16 pistons moving correctly driven by 3 camshafts, the rear wing, and the steering. Number 1. Hot Wheels City Ultimate Octo Car Wash Playset. Get ready for an amazing self-contained playset that brings spectacular water play right to your fingertips. It's an adventure that extends over 4 feet, offering endless fun. Experience the magic of the innovative color reveal car, which is like having 2 cars in one. Its color shifting features are activated by 2 separate water tanks for exciting transformations. Beyond the color change, this set includes a ramp, loop, and spiral for thrilling action and push-around play. Watch as it transforms before your eyes. Start the fun by revealing the initial color of the car, then dive into the surprises. Fill the octopus head with cold water to spray it with its tentacles, revealing entirely new colors. Want to see it change again? Simply fill the dunk tank with warm water to change it back. You can repeat the color change as many times as you like. Enjoy a fun, no-spill experience thanks to the removable drain cups that catch excess water. Plus, it collapses to half its size for easy storage. This playset connects to other Hot Wheels sets, allowing for bigger city builds and open-ended play. It's the perfect gift for kids aged 4 and up. What we like. Dive into a world of water surprises with this ultimate car wash playset featuring a color reveal car. If you have a child who loves interactive water play and discovering hidden transformations, this is a fantastic option. The octopus tentacles and dual water tanks provide a unique and repeatable color-changing experience. What people say. It's pretty cool that it folds in half for easier storage, and it's really long for play. I like the warm and cool reservoir. It's easy to refill. You get some water splash, but it doesn't make puddles. I like that everything including the loop is hand-powered. There's no need for batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.